After creating the polls, now we have to create our test. Go again for test, surveys and polls and select tests and then build test. This test will be, for example, quiz 1, and this we can write some comments in description of the test. The quiz consists of 7 questions, 2 fill-in blanks, 2 multiple choices, 2 true and false, and 1 calculated numeric, and then submit. Now you can create questions for this test. You can reuse what you have already done as we did before. Therefore, we will select from our polls. Therefore, we will create random block. We will create random block from the true and false poll, and this is true and false. We have to tick both of them, the poll and the type of question, and the set of questions will appear here, and then click submit. Now we have one random block, and we will select from it 2 questions, submit. Again, we will go for create random block from multiple choices poll, and here we have to click also multiple choice. The set of questions will appear, and then submit. Again, we have another random block. We'll select 2 questions from this one and then submit. Now 1 question, 2 questions from random block 1, 2 questions from random block 2. Again, we'll go for create random block, which is now fill in blanks, and take here also fill in blanks. The set of questions will appear here, and then click submit. Now we have the 3rd random block. We'll select from it also 2 questions. Now the 5th and 6th question will be from the random block 3. Again, we'll select random block, which is now the calculated numeric, and here also we have to take calculated numeric. The set of questions will appear here. No, calculated numeric, and then click submit. This is the 4th block, and we will select from it 1 question only. Now we have 7 questions. The points for each question will be identified here. Therefore, this is point per question is 10. We will change it to 0.25. Therefore, for the true and false, or this is true and false questions, we have in total 0.5 mark. And again, for multiple choice, 0.25. Submit. Now again 0.5 for the multiple choices questions. For the fill in blanks, let's put 0.5 for each one. That means in total it will be 1. Now it is 1. For the last one, it is calculated numeric. We will select 1 question with 1 mark. This is 1 mark. In total, we have 1 mark, 2, 0.5, 2.5, and 0.5. It is a 3 mark. This we have created our test. Okay. By this way, we formed our test. To employ the test, we have to go for the assignments and tests. go for the assessment, select tests. Now we have to employ the test. It is quiz 1 and submit. You can change the name, color, assume it is red now, apply. This description, it is there, 7 questions. Show test description to the student before beginning the exam, this is okay. Open test in new window, yes or no, it depends on what you want exactly, but put it yes. Availability, make the link available, yes. Add a new announcement for this test, yes. Multiple attempts, this allow unlimited attempt, it is not preferred, therefore we will select number of attempts will be 2 for example, because if the student missed the connection he can try again. Score, attempt using last graded attempt, no, best one, highest grade, it is better. Force completion, yes. Time set, this you have to put the exam time, we usually put it 20 minutes to 30 minutes, assume it is 30 minutes. Auto submit, yes. This is the time of the exam, you can assume it on 30th of this December, 30th of this December, from time 9 o'clock, not 9 p.m., 9 a.m., not 9 a.m., 9 p.m. This we can select from here. (9 p.m. to example to 10 p.m. This is 1 hour. We can reduce this time. We always restrict it and keep it less. We can modify if you want to 9:40. This will be good. From 9 p.m. to 9:40, and the student has to complete it within 30 minutes on the same day. Restrict location, no restriction. Test availability. Due date, same date, it is 30th of December. Do not allow student to start the test if the due date is passed, yes. Include this test to grade center, hide result for this test completely from the instructor and the grade center, no. And show test result and feedback after submission. Test presentation all at once at a time. Prohibited backtracing, it is good, this one. The student will see the question, and when he goes for the next one he cannot go back to the same question. Randomized question, this is good for the student to randomize the set of questions for each one of them and then submit. Now you can see the test is created. Availability, it is not available because the time due is not now. It will appear after 30th of September, 9 p.m. This quiz consists of, this is the description